So I am going to drop the endoscopy camera inside this tube to know what is present inside this tube. We can press K to capture an image. Hello guys, welcome to Pantech Solutions. Today I am going to show a demo on endoscopy camera using Raspberry Pi. So first of all, we need a Raspberry Pi 3 and then an endoscopy camera which has 3 variant light intensity. So this is without light, and then less, and then medium, and then high intensity. Okay, and then for demo purpose we are just using this tube. We are having an SD card, so I'm just going to drop it inside the tube. So before that, I'm just gonna run the application. So this will give us the complete stream of the endoscopy camera. So I am going to drop the endoscopy camera inside this tube to know what is present inside this tube. So we can vary the light intensity also. We can press K to capture an image. So this image will be saved in the images folder of endoscopy. So different images get stored. So by using this endoscopy camera, we can do some image processing application as well as some deep learning application, whether the light is a main factor. So thank you.